just the right amount of footwork needed. Oh, what a catch that is. I don't think he realized that he has taken it. A bit of evasive action, trying to back away and hit him over the top, only finding the bowler himself. So Rohit Sharma is the second wicket to fall for India, and what a catch that was from Glenn Maxwell.
He's got 2 wickets, Glenn Maxwell. This is his second over. Rohit Sharma again departs. Have a look here, Glenn Maxwell. Lost at the lights. Looked like a surprise that it stuck in his hand, but Rohit Sharma has to depart. India now a 2 for 144.
So Rohit Sharma has gone for 81. 144 for 2. So 144 for 2, and against the run-up play, Australia have got the wicket of Rohit Sharma, who's looking very dangerous. And batted beautifully.